Hi, my name is Megan. I work here at the Kenosha Public Library. I am an early literacy specialist, and today I wanted to share my top 2 favorite books of 2020. The first one is The Knockout Queen by Rufi Thorpe. This came out in the spring. I believe it was like April, May-ish. This is an awesome adult book. It's kind of a dark coming-of-age story. It's about a boy and his next door neighbor, and she's wealthy and she's a star athlete, but her life isn't as great as it seems. And so the story kind of explores their friendship, their lives, and just kind of how they come of age. So that's my adult recommendation. I also have a young adult book, The Life in Medieval Times of Kit Sweetly. This is by Jamie Pacton, and I loved this book. This book takes place kind of locally, actually at Medieval Times, which I believe is in Schaumburg. And so it's a girl, she works there as a serving wench, and she really wants to be one of the knights that joust, but company policy says that girls can't be knights. So she decides that she's not cool with that and that needs to change. She also is getting ready to graduate high school, so she explores Marquette University, which is her dream school. And so there's a lot of local ties that really enhanced this story for me, and I very highly recommend it. If you're interested, both of these books are available through the shared catalog.